Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to reset your PC. There is an option in Windows 11, like our mobile phones, like reset factory options. So how to do that? It is very simple. Go to Start menu, then go to Settings, then go to Windows Update, then go to Update History, then select Recovery. You can see here, and there is option for Reset PC. For choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. Okay, this means you will get the fresh Windows installation, and this will be remove all kind of installed softwares from your C drive. Okay, and it is not affecting for your another drives, like you are created multiple drives like D, E, F, any other drives. Okay, that files are keeping the same, but actually it is clear the C drive and reinstall the Windows, or it is just clean up your Windows and reinstall that. So you will get a new OS, and it will be remove every software you installed, every software and drivers you installed in your PC. So this is the method how to reset your PC, like in mobile phones, restore factory settings, the same. So that's guys, and you must know that before you doing, at least you keep 70% of your battery on your laptop, or it is recommended by just plug in your charger, what I do like this. So then use these functions. So that's guys, very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.